Guys, good evening here. I'm just chilling out. So this is how we do things every evening here. So most cases, all the kids are on vacation for now, so we just come here to play ball. Okay. It's, just we said it's going in here. See those things those kids are doing. I was like this, okay? When I was this age, I used to do something like this too. Once in a while, come together like this, play ball together as a kid. So when I was young too, I used to do all of this, okay? So that is our life here, okay? See, I'm playing soccer with bare feet, okay? It's no more thing here to play soccer with bare feet, okay? So you can see all the kids here playing soccer with bare feet. So wherever you are, enjoy every moment, okay? So even though things are not going well with you, have every reason to be happy and don't give up on yourself, okay? You see the way guys are just having fun here. I'm telling you, most of those guys are going through a lot of shit. Some don't even know what they're going to eat tonight, okay? This is what is going on literally here, most part of Africa, okay? But you see how fun, come together, to be happy. This is Nigerians, naturally, okay? So we just find a way to just let out our sorrows, okay? So I'm encouraging you, wherever you are, enjoy yourself, go out, relax, okay? I know things might not be easy right now, things might not be easy with you right now, but enjoy every moment you have, okay? This life is too short, right? So that is it. Just enjoy every single moment you have with yourself, with your friends, with families, okay? So that is it. Life is beautiful, bro. Life is beautiful, okay? Find reason to be happy, right? I always say this. I'm telling you now, I'm going through a lot of shit right now, okay? I'm not bullshitting, okay? I'm going through a lot right now, bro. I'm still trying my best to put on my good mood because that is the only thing that's going to help me, okay? Be moody, thinking all the time, indoor, it's not gonna save me. Okay, I'm gonna be indoor and like I'm thinking the only thing that will save me is stand up, go out and face reality. Okay, staying indoor, thinking and all of that is not gonna save you. Life is going. Okay, people are doing things they are supposed to do. Okay, no one is waiting for you, bro. So wake up, stand up, wherever you are, whatever you are facing, have the courage, the strength to stand up and face life. Okay, it's just a moment, it's going to pass. I bet you it's just a moment, it's going to pass. Okay, that is from my experience. I know it's all about moment and it's going to pass. I'm not going to kill myself over it. Okay, face it squarely, okay? It's not going to kill you. It's going to make you stronger, okay? It's going to make you stronger, okay? That is it. Whatever it is you're facing, be happy. Okay, that is what I'm preaching to you guys. Okay, try and be happy in all of your situation. Try and be strong in all of your situation, because it's not going to kill you. To make you strong, wiser, smarter than before. Okay, be strong and don't give up. Okay, everything is going to fall into place someday, if not now, very soon. Okay, be strong and don't give up on yourself. Take time, step out of your room, wherever you are, step out, enjoy every moment. Okay, don't, because of what it is that you're going through, give up on yourself. Be sad always. No, don't do that. That is not going to help. Step out, take action. You don't have the energy, stand up, go out, take action. You don't have the motivation, stand up, go out, take action. Okay? No motivation at all. Try your possible best, go out and take action. Just go out, stand up wherever you are. Just stand up, okay? Just stand up, step outside your comfort zone, right? And I believe someday everything is gonna fall into place.